Yo, this is your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Tech, coming back at you with another unboxing video. And today, guys, we're going to be unboxing this right here. And this is the NEWDERY case, but it has a battery attached to the case. So basically, this is a battery case for your phone. Now, this particular battery case is for the Samsung 24 Ultra. Now, they do have it for the regular and the Plus, but those will not. You can't use this for that. And this puppy right here is going to cost you $39.99. This is a 5,000 milliamp hour battery that's built into the case. And I mean, they do have 10,000, 12,000, but they look kind of thick. Don't get me wrong. Sometimes you want things thicker than a Snicker, but not your phone. You want your phone to stay kind of slim. So again, this is going for $39.99. And I didn't know. I thought all of them were made differently. No, this one you can actually use your CarPlay with it. You have to plug it up. And you also can use the NFC tap to pay with this case. So I didn't know that all cases were not the same. So we're going to go ahead and get into the specs of this so you can understand all the specs. All right, guys, here comes some of the details. This is only going to be used for the S24 Ultra. It's not designed for the regular or the Plus. You can charge your case and the battery, your phone and the case simultaneously with wireless charger pad, or can be supported also with the wire. Just understand, you're not going to be able to, if you're looking for the headphone jack, you're going to be able to use that. You only can use Bluetooth headphone only. It's a 5,000 milliamp hour battery to extend your battery life for your S24 Ultras. 5G say goodbye to low battery, anxiety, and awkward moments. You have 18-watt fast charging for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Charging case can be fast charged. Please use the USB-A to USB-C cable charger for the sake of security. The battery case is not designed to fast charge the phone. Now, I'm thinking it's not designed to fast charge the phone because it probably will have a lot more heat. I'm saying that. I don't know why, but I'm guessing that's why, because it will it does kind of get warm a little bit. Okay, use all functions. You can use all functions of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. You can enjoy the fun and convenient Android Auto, NFC, and transfer data without removing the battery pack. So you can do all that without removing the battery pack. Please use the USB-A to USB-C cable to transfer data and use Android Auto. So I wonder if you can sync up Android Auto through the Bluetooth. We will see about that, but my car can't do the Bluetooth. You have to do the cable, so I don't have to worry about that. So that's about all the details that there is on here. Before we go to the Eagle Eye View, do me a favor, please like, share, and subscribe. I'm gonna say that one more time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Do me a favor. The more thumbs up you get, the more you share. The YouTube algorithm, guys, really love that. It'll push it out further. So without further ado, guys, let's get to the Eagle Eye View. In the Eagle Eye View, and this is how it comes packaged. You can see all that features and stuff on here and all that good stuff. So let's go ahead. We're gonna use this unboxing knife to unbox this. Let's see what's in here. Okay, nothing else in here. This might be the quickest unboxing I've ever done. I doubt it though. Okay, just don't play with me. All right, so we do have the book. And this is how it looks. Okay. All right. So you have the press. You go press and hold 3 seconds, and or stop charging your phone. Okay. All right, guys. So this is how it looks. So you got the buttons on the side for the S24. Nice soft back here, and Well, this is the battery here, and you already got. That's how much charger comes with it. So it's pretty decent, guys. I mean, nothing more to show. So why don't we go ahead and get to see how much it weighs, charge it up, and then put it on the phone and see how it looks on the phone. All right, guys. All right, let's see how much weight this is going to add to your phone. So it's going to add about 147 gram extra weight to your phone. So now you can get to 10,000 milliamp, or you go 12, you go even higher than that, but you're adding more weight. So I think this is pretty decent at 5,000 milliamps. All right. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and see how it looks, see what it can do when it charges up. Now, see this right here. So we're going to put it in the USB-C that's on here. It's built into the power strip right there. Let's see. All right. So it is able to charge it up. Now this is the bad thing, guys, is that you're not going to be able to use this 30, and you cannot use this super fast charger. It will not charge it up at all. You can only use adaptive charging, or if you have something like the LG fast charge. Okay, so we're going to put both of these here and here simultaneously. So we got into the LG. Go ahead and look it up. And as you can see, it works with the LG. And I know we have plenty of these around the house. Now, I don't know if that's going to be a deal breaker, because you can always take it off and see, and it uses, put it on Samsung, and it uses Samsung. So guys, I don't know if this is going to be a deal breaker for you, because, I don't know how many of y'all have the fast charging, on ball adapters in the house. But we're going to go do one more thing. We're going to go ahead and see if this works, because it's supposed to be able to wireless charge. So let's turn this on. 91%. Let's see. There you go. It works. So you can use, but it's not like sticking on there. You have to lay it on there, and it'll go ahead and charge it up. So it does work with, wireless charging. All right, guys, let's go ahead and see how we'll put it on the phone and see how it looks on the phone. Get right to it. So this is kind of flexible up here. As you can see, this is not. So what you want to do, and by the way, it does still come with the get your stylus out too. You want to put it in like this from up here, because this is bendable. Up here is bendable, so you want to bend that out the way. You just want to slide it down until it clips in. Then you put this around it, and there you go. And then so what we do, we just turn it on. So now it does give a little extra thickness to it, guys. It does. But it's not as bad as some of the other ones. So you can see here, so it's on. Everything works. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna charge it up real quick. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna use, because I said you can do the phone and this simultaneously. So we're gonna make sure it works. So there you go. So it does work, but it does say slow charging. So it is going to be slow charging. It's not going to be fast charging, so slow charging. So let's go ahead and try the adaptive. In fact, we're going to just go ahead and do the LG fast charging right here. See how that go. Now it says charging. Still say slow charging. So it's going to charge this up. and it's slow charging this. So what I would say do, guys, just me, is just take it out, fully charge it up, and then put it back on. That's what I would do. But what we're gonna do, I'm gonna take it outside. I'm gonna use it like I would normally use it. See, make sure that the NFC work. I can still tap to pay. I can use my Android Auto in the car. Just make sure all that works just the way I use it. All right, guys. So, and after that, we'll be back and we'll be giving this puppy my final thoughts and giving it a grade. Yo, I'm back to give my final thoughts on the NEWDERY battery case for your phone and give this puppy a grade. And guys, it's decent. I'm not in love with it, but I do like it. I'm not used to having all this weight, on my phone. Normally I use a thin case or a case like an OtterBox, but a little kind of thinner, and that's not this heavy. Kind of bulky, it's about the same bulk, not this heavy. And I do like it, guys, but I'm not gonna say I'm in love with it. You know what I'm saying? But you know what got me thinking? I was looking at the name NEWDERY, and I was like, Dairy. Where did I hear that dairy name? And all of a sudden, something like, do you want to float? I'm like, oh, NEWDERY. I don't know, this ain't from Dairy, Maine. But to get back to the point, guys, I'm going to get a finisher design of 4 out of 5. Again, I think the battery pack is a little too heavy, or just not I'm not going to say heavy. It's awkward to hold. Again, I have little T-Rex hands. So if you have them big bear balls, it might feel a little different in your hand, but it's a little bit heavy, awkward to hold, a little heavy. I wish they would just kind of push the battery up a little bit more on the backside and let it be a little thinner. You know what I'm saying? I think if it was a little bit thinner, it wouldn't be as awkward to me, just to me. So I'm giving the design and finish a 4 out of 5. I think it's done well. I think it's done well. I took some pictures, and this is not in the way or nothing like that, so it's probably good. Price, I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 5. I mean, for $39.99, you can't beat it. It's doubling your Ultra. I think Ultra has a 5,000 milliamp hour battery, so it's doubling what you have. As far as the features on this, guys, I think the features are great on this. So, because I was going to try to get another one just so I can compare different companies with the NEWDERY, see if there's anything better out there, NEWDERY, for the same price. Even if I have to pay a little bit more. But come to find out, guys, and I want you to hear this, come to find out, all of these are not, the battery cases are not the same. There's some that come with really good battery, but you can't use no other functionality. To use your tap and pay, you have to take it out of the case. To sync it with autoplay or auto play for your car, or whatever what Apple calls their Apple Play in the car, you can't use this. You have to, use some of the other ones. You have to literally look down and make sure that feature is something that the case can do, because you can get a case that don't have those features on it. So when you buy something, guys, just look at the description. Make sure it says you can use your autoplay, you can use your tap and pay, you can use your NFC, because some of them say you cannot use these functions at all. So as far as the features, guys, it's come with some decent features. But I'm going to give it a 4 out of 5. The reason why I'm going to give it a 4 out of 5, because when I tried the autoplay, it took about three times to get it to work. I don't know if because the way it has to interface, go through the case, then go to your phone, but it took a couple of times to get it to work, but it did work. So I did like that, but I'm going to dock it because it should work at the first time. So I would just tell you, just make sure you have the right charger, at least an 18-watt charger, and you should be okay. Now, it's not going to fast charge your phone, but, like I said before, you take this out, charge it with your phone first, already have it fully charged, already have this fully charged, and then you get it. I did let my phone go down 50%, and it charged it all the way back up to 100. So, guys, the tap and pay work. I listen to music that work, autoplay work. So everything worked. The total is going to be a 4.3. I do like it. And I think this will take, for me, it will take the place of me having to take a battery pack, just a regular battery pack, one of these with me, even if it's a thinner one with me, because it's already built in. I just got to deal with the weight. So I do think that this is a little bit more manageable, a lot more manageable than this. I mean, even if you have one that's a little one, you have to take it out, you have to have the extra wire, plug it up to it, and then let it do. This, all you gotta do is hit that button, because now when you put it in here, it doesn't automatically start charging your phone. Let me say that. You have to hit that button. Once you hit that button one time, it'll start charging. And if you hit that button again, it will turn it off. So you get to control when the charge happens. So I do like that. So all in all, guys, is a 4.3. All right, guys, do me a favor before we go. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to say that one more time. Please like, share, and subscribe. I want to thank my new, current, and new subscribers for still rocking with the channel. You know, the more thumbs up you get, the more you share. The YouTube gods, they really like that. So please do that. And and hit the notification bell. So anytime we drop a brand new video, you will be notified. Yet again, guys, this is your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Tech, thanking you for rocking out with me on another unboxing video. We got some more unboxings coming soon. So see you later. On the flip side, just come back and you'll see the new video. Peace.